Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Sheikh Anwar Hussain. I'm a consultant oral surgeon. I'm also an implantologist and have been working intensively on computer guided implantology. We are holding this course for all the doctors who want to know more about computer implantology. We will be speaking in length about all the principles and the protocols of computer guided implantology using static guides, and at the end we'll also be having a hands-on on the beef rib with the help of a guide, so that the candidates do get a chance to practice the guide on a near human bone.